What does a destination restaurant, in this case the Plain and Fancy Farm, in the heart of Amish country in central Pennsylvania near Philadelphia, really look like? A destination restaurant needs things to see and do beyond the food and service. How about an Amish buggy ride? Horses are ex-racing horses, and they like to go about 20 miles an hour once they get going. After looking at the farm animals, let's head towards the main restaurant area. Nothing special looking about the exterior of the Plain and Fancy restaurant in Bird in Hand, Pennsylvania. And apparently the restaurant has changed its name to the Smokehouse BBQ and Brews from Plain and Fancy. Entering the restaurant now. So family meals, good food, lots of choices. Like all great restaurant stops, it has a gift shop with unusual items such as Pennsylvania Dutch birch beer. Many of the products in the dining room are for sales. Many of the items in the gift shop are Amish made, such as what's here on this rack, but there's plenty made in China as well. Large, clean restrooms. The Plain and Fancy is about an hour and a half or so due west of Philadelphia and is well worth an afternoon excursion. Not on a Sunday, please, when nothing's open in Amish country and